Sales Data Cleanup. Sales Data Cleanup module is for loading daily sales data across stores and cleaning it up. In any brand, raw sales data might show abrupt spikes or dips. Due to excessive discounts given, few styles might show excessively great performance. On other hand, some styles may show abysmal performance due to unforeseen situations like lockdowns. Cleaning extremities will help you to understand true demand of styles. In this graph representing month-on-month sales of a style, the blue lines represent excessive spikes and dips in the performance of a style. The algorithm removes the sales where the discount was above the average discount. The overall performance will be much smoother like this, by which the true potential of a style can be analyzed. Having the correct data without heavy fluctuations is needed for better analysis. Sales Data Cleanup is a module helps in preparing and polishing of your data. Additionally, this module helps in analyzing the demand for various sizes, for different attribute groups, brand category subcategory gender combination, and also suggests exit on the sizes which are not performing for a particular attribute group. Using the exit suggestion, users can take a business decision to not buy that size for a particular AG at all. This will help in reducing the dead inventory for upcoming seasons. To run Sales Data Cleanup module, the module takes a few configuration inputs. After entering the configuration, run the module algorithm to smoothen the data at a granular level. Liquidation Cleanup Summary gives Sales Cleanup report at Partner Plus attribute level. System removes highly liquidated sales. And this cleanup sales are used as base for analyzing the data. Store Exit Sizes Summary gives a summary of the quantity contribution percentage of sizes at cluster not considering price bucket at a store level. Here it will show the sizes that do not contribute significantly for the business and recommends their exit from the next assortment. Let's make business better with our MS Pro.